If you're a budget-conscious individual seeking independence, then you need to master these life hacks for a self-sufficient lifestyle. Ever thought about growing your own food? Even with just a small balcony, you can cultivate fresh herbs and veggies. Start simple with basic gardening and maybe even try vertical gardening if space is tight. Now let's talk about what you can do with your harvest. Cooking at home isn't just healthier, it's economical. Get creative in the kitchen with your homegrown produce. And don't let anything go to waste. Learn to can, freeze, or dry your extras to make them last all year. Next up, mastering basic skills. Knowing a bit about home maintenance, car repair, and sewing can save you a bundle and add to your DIY capabilities. Why not try upcycling an old piece of furniture? Or make your own eco-friendly cleaning products? It's all about reducing your dependence on store-bought items and enhancing your practical skills. And here's a tip that brings people together: barter and swap. Engage with your community by trading skills, services, or even that extra produce you've grown. It's a fantastic way to connect, collaborate, and cut down on costs. By embracing these practices, not only do you save money, but you also gain a sense of accomplishment and independence. It's about making the most of what you have and sharing with others. That's real self-sufficiency. Thank you for tuning in. Embrace these tips and start your journey towards a more self-sufficient and fulfilling lifestyle today.